I'm wearing Dior and Steve Madden shoes. I was just really obsessed with this skirt. I thought it was so cute and it's like feel like a big cake in a house. So I was in love with this look. Oh, well, it's all mixed. हाँ? अभी आपने कहा. हाँ, I mean it's always good to look like a doll. पर मैं अभी केक के तरह I'm feeling. एक बड़ा सा केक. I'm feeling like a big cupcake. I mean because it's beauty awards. I don't think people really kind of appreciate the work that is done, to look beautiful and for the whole beauty. And Vogue is basically means fashion, and the whole fashion industry I think is run by appreciated by these awards, and they're really important. So yeah. What? One beauty advice. I think less is more. That's something Mickey Contractor told me. And I follow. What is happening? Huh? नहीं मैं यहाँ पे दिल है कि मान जाने that is a rumor that I've been asked many times, but for now it's not. I have not been approached with it, but whenever it does happen, everybody will know. नहीं, I think it's good. Something also is screaming.
देखा क्या?
बहुत सारे screaming are like, oh, Ranveer से आना तू.
Hi, I'm wearing Zenya. You know what? I'm very cleverly avoiding pronouncing the first name. I always get confused, so I'm just gonna go with Zenya. So I've started learning more and more about sharp dressing and stuff. So now I know it's not Zegna. At least I know the correct pronunciation of the second word now. The first word I still never managed, so I'm just gonna avoid that. मूछे I think October 8th को तय किया गया है कि ये मूछे मुंडवा दी जाएंगी. या मेरी अगली फिल्म है किल दिल जो अक्टूबर में शुरू होगी, तो उसके लुक टेस्ट शुरू होंगे. October 8th को ये मूछे निकाली जाएंगी. I'm really going to miss them. लगाव हो गया है. लुक टेस्ट तो सभी देते हैं यार. देखना तो ट्राई करना चाहिए ना कैसे लग रहे हो आप फिल्म में, कैसे आगे जाके लगने वाले हो. But I think it's awesome. Vogue is like the authority on beauty and fashion and all things glamorous. So I think to celebrate all of those things, the Vogue Beauty Awards is the most wonderful initiative. बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं. I like her earrings. They're very very cool. क्या चीज़? ऐसे क्यों यार? तो मैं डाकू लगता हूँ. हाँ? नहीं यार, ऐसे तो मैं गरीब गाय हूँ यार. I'm very excited, very very excited. It's my first time here actually. I think I'm expecting to see a lot of beautiful people, and I'm excited to see it. It's my first time. I've never experienced it, but it sounds quite like hi-fi and fancy and cool and all. So I'll go check it out. I'm expecting a most amusing, entertaining, lovely evening. Bollywood में सबसे beautiful माधुरी दीक्षित. मेरे co-stars में सभी beautiful हैं. By far Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, I think. By far. I mean, For so many years and years, he's been a style icon. Best dressed man ever, most stylish, style icon really. मुझे रणवीर ब्यूटीफुल ही नहीं लगता है, मुझे एकदम ऑपोजिट लगता है। मुझे मतलब क्या बोलूँ, मुझ में ब्यूटीफुल क्या है, मेरे बाल। जब मैं शैम्पू करता हूँ तब। आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि मरती है? अब तो हिचकिचा रही थी, अभी बोल रहे हो मर रही है, कमाल हो गया यार। तो पता नहीं है, आई थिंक अगर आप उनको हंसा दें तो आई थिंक उनको अच्छा लगता है। आई थिंक लुटेरा में काफ़ी रुलाया था, तो वो भी उनको अच्छा लग गया, आई थिंक। Wishing all the viewers a very very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Beauty, I think it actually has a lot to do with the state of mind, and I feel most beautiful when I'm happy, so I think that pretty much says it all. Thank you. This is Falguni and Shade. I'm wearing a retro bracelet by Boucheron Paris, and earrings by Harsagar, and I'm wearing shoes by Louboutin. I think we've kind of decided on it together. I like taking input from everybody and kind of figuring out what works best. So we decided. Sorry? The usual. I mean, meeting people and doing what I usually do. So.
Why is Vogue Beauty Awards the fabric issue?
I mean, it's Vogue. I wouldn't miss it for anything.
Makeup products you always carry?
Mascara, kohl, lip balm, bronzer. Did I name 5? A little plug on the cheek.
And one beauty advice you wish to give?
I keep it very simple because I think the less you subject your skin to, the better. So I mean, for me, it's just using a moisturizer, good face wash, and sunscreen before setting up. Yeah. But they also say that the screen adds some 10 pounds or kgs or something. Maybe that's why. Not at all. I mean, I'm a huge foodie and I love to eat. I think, I'm genetically on the slimmer side. So in fact, I try to work out and put on weight and not the opposite. I don't know when you last saw me, but I mean, I'm used to seeing myself in the mirror every day. I can't tell the difference. Okay, thank you.
I'm wearing Alexander McQueen and styled by Anaita. Like it? Black Magic what? Pata nahi. I feel good in it. I feel strong and sexy. So it's good. क्या हो रहा है? सब ठीक है? सब अच्छा हो गया? हाँ जी. अगर आप खुश हो तो आप खूबसूरत लगोगे. अगर आप अंदर से satisfied हो, अंदर से confident हो, and you think you're the strong, amazing woman, then you look beautiful. नाराज क्यों रहती हैं? कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगी. मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर आप अपने आप के साथ कंफर्टेबल हो तो आप जो भी पहनेंगे आप उसमें खूबसूरत लगेंगे. ये सब यहाँ से है. जब तक मैं हाँ या ना बोलती हूँ या मैं कोट नहीं देती हूँ तो तब तक ये सब यहाँ से है. Because it makes the beauty industry, which is such a big industry, kind of encourages them. Like we have film awards, we have other fashion awards. I think the beauty industry is something that needs to really be kind of highlighted as well. My Vogue cover, the latest one. Most beautiful actress. She just went past Alia Bhatt. I love her. I think she's one of the cutest, most beautiful, fresh faces that we have today. Actor. Most stylish actor. I think Amitabh Bachchan and Anil Kapoor and Imran Khan.
नहीं, मैं ऐसा अपने बारे में नहीं सोचती हूँ. Glam Shine Lip Gloss by L'Oreal Paris. Volume Lashes Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. I use True Match Foundation, and I always use sunblock. And my perfume, I think not many people know that perfume is also an amazing beauty product, because if you smell good, then automatically you feel good. Thank you. A very happy Independence Day. हम जो आजकल हमें पता नहीं कि इंडिपेंडेंस क्या होता है, क्योंकि we are born in a generation where our country was already independent. But अगर when there is free thought and you have choices, the only thing I can say is that please vote. I registered to vote, so you guys also should vote. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
It's one of the most celebrated magazines all across the world, and to be jury member is just like 1.5 years of my career. I think it feels really great. Absolutely. I think that's why I said it's the most celebrated magazine, I think, all over the world, and I think this kind of platform encourages and celebrates this kind of talent where brands, world-renowned brands come on one platform, and the achievements are celebrated. And I think awards, of course, everybody loves awards, and when it's Vogue Beauty Awards, it has an extra, I think, dash of the edge attached to it. So that's why it's Vogue. Absolutely. I'd like to wish every Indian a very happy Independence Day. I have my own memories, especially goes back to childhood, when we used to celebrate. We used to actually prepare a song for the choir and sing Vande Mataram. I used to play in background harmonium Vande Mataram. I've forgotten now. So I think really great memories. We used to really look forward to it. Those little flags that we used to get and attach it, on our uniforms. So we had really great memories.
Yami, could you tell me what you're wearing today?
I'm wearing this blue marine and the fluff is my blue. The bracelet, my stylist is assembled, so I'll leave the secret with her. Thank you. जब बारिश का थोड़ा मौसम चल रहा है और आई थिंक इतना काम करते तो कभी कभी तबीयत किसी की भी नासाज हो सकती है. So I'm better. Thank you.
I'm wearing Ash Dean. I'm wearing dress by person called Ash Dean. Always. Train 20. Yeah, this is something by Ash Dean, and I thought it was quite correct. That's what I usually want. Actually, not so long. About an hour and a half. That depends. Sometimes it's on the spur of the moment, sometimes it's a day before, sometimes it's a week before. It depends. This one was literally maybe 20 minutes before I got out of the house. I changed what I was wearing. Wahida Him. A stylish actor or an actress? An actor, I would say, I find Farhan Akhtar very stylish. And actress Deepika Padukone. Boss is almost done. Oh God, I have food happening behind me. Boss is almost done. There's a song left which we've almost finished shooting for, and we're releasing in October. So.
If I were to spot you outside, what would you be wearing?
Shorts. Shorts and a ganji. I think खूबसूरती वो होती है जो सबसे natural होती है. I think that is the most beautiful person. Somebody who is very comfortable being natural and being themselves. ये आपको बताना चाहिए. मैं अपने बारे में खुद कैसे बोलूँ?
जी गायकी वो मैं चलो ठीक है मैं डांस भी करती हूँ गाती भी हूँ लेकिन आई डोंट नो दैट्स समथिंग फॉर यू टू से but I know that I like to be without makeup on most days and I think that I find the most natural and the most happy thing for myself. I think Independence Day is something to cherish because I think many people in our country have fought to give us this independence and I think we should value it and not take it for granted and cherish it and celebrate it. I am wearing satin right? वो तो आप बेहतर जानेंगे मुझे तो नहीं पता आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन फॉर माय न्यू लुक एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी अबाउट इट because after a lot of criticism now an appreciation comes your way so you really feel good. खूबसूरती की परिभाषा मेरे लिए ये है कि एक इंसान अंदर से खूबसूरत होना चाहिए बाहरी खूबसूरती वो कभी रहे ना रहे इट्स लाइक यू नो इट्स नॉट फॉर एवर बट एक इंसान जब अंदर से खूबसूरत होता है तो वो बाहर भी खूबसूरत नजर आता है लोग हैं जो अंदर से भी खूबसूरत हैं नहीं unfortunately I haven't been able to meet him I think the last time I met him was on his birthday after that he's been busy traveling I've been busy traveling so now he's gone to London for cake so hopefully when he comes back then we'll meet on Eid. I'm very excited. Vogue needs no introduction and the Beauty Awards I think is a fabulous thing that they have come up with to encourage the people in this industry in the beauty field and I'm really looking forward to a glamorous evening. It is one of my favorite magazines, yeah, for sure. To be very honest, I started very late because throughout my college I was a tomboy, so I was not into all these things. But yeah, once I got out of college and I actually started behaving like a girl, that's when I started reading all these magazines. I just finished a movie under Revo D'Souza's production house. I'm going to be starting one down south very soon. I'm going to be starting one more in Bollywood in hopefully November. So yeah, that's it. एक डांस नंबर था फिल्म में एंड रेवो ने ही कोरियोग्राफ किया है काफ़ी अच्छा आया है जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर इट टू कम आउट. To be very honest, I've not really been in touch with the news because I was very busy traveling, so I have no idea about it. But I'm sure everybody says I was Salman, so I'm sure it'll be safe. Wishing all the viewers a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day पे I don't know. I mean, हमारी इंडिपेंडेंस को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए एक ही स्पेशल डे क्यों रहे? I mean, we should feel proud of being independent and being a part of this country every day of our lives. Thank you.
It's very exciting. I remember my earliest memory of Vogue is stealing my sister's Vogue when I was young and checking out all the really hot-looking women. That's my earliest memory of the Vogue magazine. Well, leaf through it. My sister's married now, so I mean, I don't specially go out and buy it. But when you go to get a haircut and stuff, there's all these stack of magazines lying there. So yeah, I leaf through some of them. Who's the most beautiful actress? God, that's an unfair question. Beautiful is now it's subjective. There's a lot of beautiful actresses and lots more coming. Huh? Well, who's the most stylish? I think Mr. Bachchan. I think there's nobody more stylish than him. He's 70 and he's always very well turned out. He can carry off anything, and I think he's extremely stylish. The other, amongst the girls, I think Priyanka is very stylish. She's developed her own style and she carries a lot of different things really well. I think she's really stylish. Well, I was in Delhi. I was doing some theatre there. I was there for 4 months and I've just got back. And and I'm busy writing some stuff right now. कहाँ किसको बोलूं भैया यहाँ पर सब अपने ही हैं. Hi, this is Kunal Kapoor wishing everybody a really happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. All right. Sure. I mean, I wish you could. Thank you.
I think it's much easier for.
Yeah, I feel.
Just because it's a beauty award. Every girl wants to come to a beauty award.
What designer are you wearing? How excited are you for this?
Yeah, I'm wearing a beautiful gown with a pretty back, it's an actually that, and the blue, the green, and this is pink color.
And how excited are you for the night? This is your first time wearing it.
So I'm just
Okay, I'm just happy
happy
for
to
try and also
five always a moisturizer and my lip balm, my mascara, my blush, and hair serum.
I'm wearing this lovely designer called Devashi, and she's from Calcutta. And yeah, it was an outfit that she gifted me, and I was just looking for the right occasion to have some fun, and I thought this was a good occasion. Sorry? Am I saving the tiger? I totally am. नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I don't think I'm looking gothic today at all. It's just, I mean, I wanted to go organic, but then I thought that I want to mix two looks, so I just thought of doing that. I was born with it. So I have a black patch and I get grey hair, and I was born with grey hair from the first day. You know someone else like that? Indira Gandhi. And then everyone in college girls like to know all the women in but I don't think it's going Sorry, I didn't get your question. Well, I think the Vogue Beauty Awards are a fabulous initiative. Not only do they promote the cause, which is being beautiful, but everything else that comes with it. And you have absolutely wonderful and interesting women from all walks of life coming and endorsing something as wonderful as the Vogue Beauty Awards. And I've been subscribing to Vogue even before it came to India. And I think beauty is something that should stay for a lifetime, and we're all here celebrating it, so it's a great initiative. I'm wearing blue marine and the clutch is by Gucci. There's so many, it's very hard to pick up. I think everybody is very beautiful in their own way, and I think all of them carry themselves really well. So all of them. I think apart from Mr. Bachchan, actress, I think I really like Kalki. I love the way she carries herself, or which is the right blend of her. She experiments a lot, and the attitude with which she carries, I think, I really like that. Sorry? I'm just sorry, I didn't hear. I have a feeling really unwell. Sorry, what are you saying? कहाँ से सुना आपने? साउथ में तो मैं जाती रहती हूँ because I'm balancing work both in Bollywood and bilingual film that I'm shooting, and there's nothing of that sort. I think it's great. It's very prestigious to be a part of the jury of Vogue Beauty Awards.
Just walked in, so looking forward to going into the Vogue Beauty Award. Big fan of Vogue and a big fan of beauty, so looking forward to seeing who's going to win. And I think, I keep bringing it back to the fact that now that I'm a mom, but I feel like everyone looks so good these days. I think beauty products have a lot to do with it. I can't say. I mean, I've been keeping it secret for a long time, so I'll keep it a secret till I hear if I actually get it. I think I've been told that it will probably end of August. Actually, my audition came through my agent in London, so it was very separate, and I don't know anything about anyone else, or I don't know anything, to be honest. I was surprised when the news was out, but I hope, fingers crossed, fingers and toes crossed. This is Nandita Mehtani, and Nandita Mehtani, I'm a big fan, and I really find her clothes fit me well. Actually, अभी तक मैंने नहीं देखा, but I wish them all the best. Independence Day. I wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. Thanks. How are you doing?
Yeah, how excited are you for the Vogue Award night?
It's always a very fun, beautiful night. Lots of my friends win awards each year, and I've been a part of the jury, and I've really enjoyed the process. I think it's wonderful to acknowledge the hard work that very many people put into making all of us look the way we do.
And can you just tell me about the designer that you're wearing? I can see it's like,
I honestly don't remember. Oh my god, that's a tough question because I think there are lots of very beautiful ladies out there. But I think for me, there'd be Madhubala, then there's Madhuri, then there is Vinisha Koirala, then I think there's Kajol, Sonam, Deepika. The list is endless. Sonam. Actor, Mr. Bachchan. I think he carries himself in a really cool way. At his age, to do what he does and the way he pulls it off, it's quite cool. Thank you. I'd like to wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day.
Listen, I think if you love beauty and you love fashion, then Vogue is the epitome of that, and so it's always nice to be here for any of their events. I'm sure it's going to be a fun night, a fashionable night, and I'm sure there's some wonderful looking people, and I'm very excited because my very own trainer is winning an award tonight, and she totally deserves it for keeping me in shape, so I'm thrilled to be here. I never wear black, and upgrade all my appearances are only. Oh, today's I'm wearing an Australian brand called Bardo. It's always nice to attend like a
beauty award where we celebrate, the entire reason of my existence. And I think it's it's going to be a fun girly affair. I can only see women, and it's going to be fun. क्या खूबसूरती वेल बहुत सारे क्लीशेज यूज हो चुके हैं खूबसूरती के बारे में कि ब्यूटी लाइज इन द आईज ऑफ द बिहोल्डर एक्सेट्रा, बट आई ट्रूली फील दैट अगर आप सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट हैं और आप अपने आप में बिलीव करते हैं, यू ऑटोमेटिकली गोना लुक गुड, फील कॉन्फिडेंट, एंड दैट रेडियंस इज गोना टच अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. बॉलीवुड में तो सभी खूबसूरत है. करंटली मुझे दीपिका पादुकोण बहुत सुंदर लगती हैं, और इससे पहले वाले जनरेशन में तो कितने भी आप गिन लीजिए कम हैं, फ्रॉम वहीदा रहमान जी टू हेमा मालिनी जी, एंड खूबसूरत अभिनेता मुझे सलमान खान बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. शुभकामनाएं दे सकती हूँ मैं सारे दर्शकों को. इंडिपेंडेंस डे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ, और हमें अपने देश का ख्याल रखना चाहिए, रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन बनने चाहिए, सिर्फ लिप सर्विस नहीं, कुछ करके दिखाइए. सब बात है. ड्रेस के बारे में मुझे भी पता नहीं ये ड्रेस कहाँ से मैंने लिया है. एक छोटा सा दुकान से. आई थिंक काफ़ी साल पहले मैंने लिया था, पर पहले टाइम में पहन लिया. I'm excited. I don't know what that's.